Commercial refrigeration is usually boring, but this unit claims to give you total control right in your pocket. We're looking at the Glownary Z1-R-GWMS, and if you run a business, you need to see this VersaHub system in action. The biggest headache in food service is equipment failure, and that's where the Z1-R-GWMS truly shines. It's Wi-Fi enabled, running on the VersaHub platform, and this isn't just a gimmick, it's a genuine operational safeguard. It sends real-time notifications straight to your phone or email. Unit failure. Text alert. Door left ajar. Immediate notification. Temperature creeping up. You know before the product spoils. That level of enhanced monitoring and control is genuinely game-changing for minimizing costly inventory loss and ensuring compliance, giving you serious peace of mind whether you're on site or miles away. Beyond the smarts, this is a serious piece of equipment. Glownary didn't skimp on the construction. We're talking all stainless steel, inside and out, which means excellent corrosion resistance and serious longevity. The glass door is perfect for visibility, showing off that substantial 21.68 cubic feet of interior space. And speaking of storage, the 3 heavy-duty shelves are rated for 120 pounds each, which is incredibly robust for high-volume use. The cooling itself is handled by a top-mounted 1.3 horsepower compressor using R290 refrigerant, which is known for its efficiency and performance. The rear air duct system ensures that cold air is distributed evenly, keeping everything precisely between 33 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's Energy Star qualified and features automatic electric defrost, so maintenance is kept simple. The digital display on the front gives you that instant temperature check, which is essential for daily operations. This isn't just a refrigerator, it's an investment in reliability and efficiency. The Z1-R-GWMS successfully combines heavy-duty commercial construction with cutting-edge monitoring technology. If you need a reliable, high-capacity unit that actively helps you prevent costly mistakes, this Glownary model is absolutely worth the premium.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.